everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. I wanted to jump on real quick and just do a quick unboxing of the Butterfly Skies kit, which I just got from Planners Anonymous in Australia. This is the first time I'm opening the box, although I have seen previews online. So let's see what's in here. This kit was the October kit. So if you joined Planners Anonymous before the 15th of October, I believe, you would have gotten this kit. The kit right now is I forget what it's called. We'll figure out what it's called by the time I get done opening everything. But this is what's in the standard kit, a paper pack, and what's in here. So let's and then this is additional. So I'll make sure and point out to you what's additional. So let's get started. You always get in the kits washi and stickers and die cuts, a pen. So this is the pen, and it's just a normal ballpoint pen. This one's got gorgeous gemstones in it. They're not mixed together, they're in kind of an ombre with kind of a lilac and a blue and an aqua color. And it's, like I said, it's just a normal ballpoint pen. We've got 3 rolls of washi. I will pause the camera and get these open here in a bit, and we'll roll them out. Here is the girl. So like I said, this one's Butterfly Skies. Lots of blue, purple, dark colors. I will probably end up using this for a spread after the first of the year. Maybe even make it till spring, but I'm definitely excited about using this. You always get 6 quote cards. So these are not sticky. So we have Eat, Sleep, Wake Up, Be Beautiful. You Do You. I love that one. I say that on my videos on occasion. Beautiful changes happen in the darkest of times. Oh, looks like I accidentally got 2 of those. Normally you only get 1. What if you fly? Never hide your true self, and be bold, be brave, be you. And then this one's just a little art card that you can use in your planner as well. All right, so those are the quote cards. Next, we have stamps. There are always a set of stamps. And this one, I remember somebody pointing out that these are meant to be layered. So you've got the outline, and then you've got solid, and then you've got a design. So you would do like maybe black, and then maybe a pastel pink, and then maybe like a magenta. So you would stamp 3 times, and that way it's all, I mean, you don't have to. You could color it in yourself or leave it empty, but that's the way those are meant to be used. These are die cuts. They're basically just heavy paper cutouts. I use them in my planner all the time, like stickers. I just use tape runner to adhere these inside my planner, but there are all kinds of other things you can do with them. So this is a big art card. With brave wings you will fly. And this, I like to use this to make laminated covers with. So this possibly could become a cover in the spring. We'll see. It sure is pretty. And then die cuts. So let's see what we've got here. This would make a great nameplate on like a title page, or even as part of this art card somehow, as part of a planner cover, maybe an inside cover, something like that. Got some headphones, some beautiful, I think those are orchids. Here's a little word, a couple little words in here. Beautiful, amazing. Here's the girl. So you'll see a lot of these reflected in the sticker pack when I get to that, but they'll be smaller in the sticker pack. More orchids, a camera. It's It's very similar to the camera I'm using to film this right now. A butterfly, several butterflies. So that's why this kit is saying spring to me with all the butterflies. Some house plants, other foliage, purse. I am unapologetically me. That's a good one. Here's another little word. Let's do this. I could definitely see using this in my social media planner for motivation. More orchids, more foliage, one more butterfly, and then here's a little framed grow through what you go through. That anybody who's used happy planners for a while is familiar with this. And then there's a teeny tiny little butterfly there that I almost got lost. I thought that was some kind of paper crumb. All right, so that was the die cuts. Next, there's always a bonus item. So the bonus item this month is a small little traveler's notebook style journaling book. So it's got some journaling prompts in it. This is me. 3 words to describe myself, something I love about me. So sometimes it's a bookmark, or like a magnetic or a paper clip or a sticker book. This month is all about self-discovery and metamorphosis. So that's why she did a couple of these sticker sheets with some nice words. I definitely can use these in my wellness planner. You guys know I always pick my positive word and my how I'm feeling words like these. So I'm looking forward actually to using these in some of those spreads and having that drive the color combination too, because these are not colors I normally use in my wellness planner. This is the standard sticker pack. It comes with 4 sheets of stickers. So these two are sticker sheets. These don't normally come with the kit. They're part of this special item on the kit this month. And then this is the standard sticker pack. So we've got a page with lots of decoration. And there's the girl with the tiny little butterfly. More decoration. The orchids and the pocketbooks. Glasses, the headphones. Oops, sorry, didn't realize I was off camera. The headphones we saw earlier. And then this is just little notes, coffee cups, stickers for their lives. She does a live once a week. It's on Sunday night in the United States, which I believe is Monday morning in Australia. And then a set of date covers. And then here's the little teaser. This 4th page always has a teaser for the kit, which since shipping is taking so long right now, this is actually the kit you get under the stars if you subscribe by, I believe it's December 15th. This will be the first kit you get. And it's gorgeous. You can see it's got lots of blacks and blues and lots of purple. It's an absolutely gorgeous kit. I encourage you to check it out. So that's the standard sticker kit. And then lastly, we have the standard paper kit. So all the kits come with a set of 2 pages each, 3 different designs, and they're double-sided. And then an acetate and a vellum sheet. So this is the first one. And like I said, they're double-sided. And the color saturation, the camera doesn't do it justice. It's difficult when you're filming to get good, deep depth of true color. And especially on these kits. The color saturation on these is amazing. But there you go, you get a good idea what the colors on this kit are going to be. And then the back side is kind of a slate gray, and it's got kind of a watercolor lined look to it. The next one is a bunch more of these words. Enthusiastic, energetic, considerate, amazing, sweet, cheerful, fabulous, fearless, kind, beautiful, sincere, loyal, strong, loved, adventurous, just lots of words. And the back side of that one is that gorgeous orchid purple color. And then the last one is just some of that foliage with a cooler purple color. And the back side is that bright, vibrant green. All right, and then the this is the vellum. So vellum is kind of an opaque paper. You can kind of see my hand through there. I'm actually using vellum right now. I'm making some dividers out of vellum. And then this is the acetate sheet. So this is clear. And this one, I don't know if you can tell, it's a holographic on this side, the butterflies. You can see the rainbow. So holographic is kind of like a rainbow silver. So you can see the rainbow there. And then the back side, oh, it's also holographic. Usually the back side is silver. So this is double-sided. So this is acetate. And that is the standard paper pack. So then I also add on the extra paper pack and the extra stickers. So in the extra paper pack, you get an additional set of 3. They're always different. And an additional acetate sheet and vellum sheet that are always the same. So this is the same vellum and the same acetate with the holographic. These make great bookmarks. They make great layers when you're laminating covers. You can use this as a reversible backside. And then the extra papers. So again, 3 pairs of papers. So there's more orchids. Lots of blue with purple around the outside, and then the just full purple. And then the back side of that one is a gorgeous deep aqua blue. This one is those photo box storage kits in the colors that match the kit. And the back side is that hot pink color. And then the last one is this gorgeous, gorgeous black. I could see this one definitely being a cover. The green foliage with the butterflies and the orchids on black. And there's a caterpillar that's going to turn into one of these butterflies. And then the back side is that cool tone blurple, I've heard it called, bluish purple color. All right, so that was the extra paper pack. Now the extra sticker pack. So this one usually has 16-ish sheets of additional sheets of stickers. So there's the girl again, a little bit bigger. And here's the grown-up girl. Now Sammy, the lady who designs these kits, said that this was supposed to represent the lady full grown and then the lady as a little girl. That's supposed to be the same person there. Same with this one. A lot of her kits have this guy in them. Same thing with him as a young boy. Love these house plants, so gorgeous. And then here's some close-ups of more plants and some caterpillars. Here's some of the tools, the cameras, the headphones, some laptops, some clocks. Here are the quotes, and usually these are very similar, if not exactly the same, to the quote cards, but these are much smaller and they're outlined. This is white paper, so you can use those pretty easily in your planner. Here are some more post-it notes and some date covers that comes with little round ones and then slightly larger square ones. These they call flat lays, so you're looking top down on a table, a planner, some vacation clothes, a laptop. And then this one has the double boxes, so these can be used separately or together, and they're cut up into all these different little pieces so that they fit all the different planner configurations. And then same thing with this one. This is a double box. You can use it as 2 single boxes, 1 double box, however you want to use that. It's so pretty. Same thing here. We have, oh, usually we don't have this many big double box stickers, so that's nice. That almost looks like one, but it's actually 2 separate ones. It's got a seam down the center. And then you get date covers in the different colors that match the kit. These are a little bit out of order. So got that cool purple, the aqua blue, the warm orchid purple, and then the pink. And then these are just single box stickers with a little bit of blank space so you could squeeze a little bit of writing in there if you wanted to. Some nice books. And then the minis. You always get a couple pages of minis, and these always match the minis that you see in the theme of the kit. So this one's got the grown and the young man. Here's the grown woman and the little girl, same here. And then you also always get a page of minis doing just standard activities, shopping, laundry, cooking, drinking coffee, birthday cake. I love the minis. They're so cute. I use them in my monthly a lot. I tend to. All right, so I'm going to pause this, clean up my board, and get the washi tape open, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the 3 washies. I got them all open. Let's have a look. So the first one is, and it's got a very subtle kind of a silvery shimmer. It's not super shiny. I think it's foil. It's definitely not holographic like the acetate, but there's definitely a shine to it, almost like a pearlized shine to it. So here's the repeat. So we've got these 2 butterflies right here. So there is the washi, the fattest of the 3, the whitest. Here's the middle, again with the pearly kind of shimmer to it. I think you can see that on camera. And again, I'm just looking for the repeat. There's the butterfly, and here it is again. It occurred to me as I was working on getting the washi tapes open that this might make a good first week in January spread with the whole theme of metamorphosis and going from such a hectic, hard 2020 to what's hopefully going to be a much better 2021. So again, this has that pearlized, a lot of that pearlized shimmer to it. This gorgeous, I love ombre. Ombre is my absolute favorite. And this definitely goes purple, pink, and there's some yellow, green, the blue, the warm aqua blue, the cooler, darker blue, and then back into the purple, and we come full circle. So this speckled like butterfly wing pattern, I love that. That is so pretty. I might have to go ahead and use this for my first week in January to kick off 2021. Use this kit. So that is everything. I hope you like this video. Have a look at Planners Anonymous. I'll link them in the description box, and I'll also link a couple other unboxings I've done of their recent kits. The next kit, like I said, is just going to be absolutely gorgeous, and the kit after that, we did get a preview. It is my absolute favorite kit of all time. It's Sakura. It's Japanese cherry blossoms, so lots of pinks. They actually did one of those kits before I joined Planners Anonymous, and I tried to buy one of those aftermarket, and I could not get a hold of it. So I am so very excited that they're bringing that one around again. That'll be the January kit. So check back with me in about 4 or 5 weeks, and I'll do an unboxing of the next kit. Thank you so much for joining me. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.